So guys, I know this is a late night vlog. You can see it's dark out. So I walk into my bedroom. I go put my green box there with my shotguns in it and other stuff. Put my blanket on my bed and I look at the window here. I turn around. You kitty. You kitten. No way. Hi, you're famous now. Yes. Isn't she just adorable? She's my kitty. Say hi, Miley. She might be chilling out with me tonight, guys. Look how dark it is out. Like, you can see the light down there, but it's like pitch black and it's only 7:56. I mean, that's late for some people, but it's dark in the hall. It's not really late for me. And it's dark out. Our parents are downstairs watching a movie. And I don't really want to watch it. And well, it's not that I didn't want to watch it. I didn't really feel like watching a movie. But they're down there watching a movie. And I'm up here YouTubing, so yeah. Let's go back upstairs. Let's go see Miley. Hey. Oh, guys. Special guest. Hi. Guys, you're barely ever gonna see him in some of my vlogs. But look! This is a one-time. No, Carlos. That's Carlos. He barely ever comes out. I mean, Carlos. He just got mad. He's only 4 years old, guys. He just hissed. He doesn't normally do that. Stage friend, I would say. You can see little Miley's ears pricking out the top. And so to see them. Hi, guys. So yeah, just a quick vlog. Show you guys 2 of the 3 of my kitties. Okay, let's go find Zoe. I think I know where she is. Go do this really quick. And it'll be on my pet shown on camera and on my channel. Oh, she's not there, I don't think. We'll have to go check for ourselves. Sometimes she swaps from chair to chair. She's not there, guys. Where'd she be? She's not under there. She's not under the leather table there. She's not there. We're in the dining room. Yes, baby's in the dining room. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, say hi. Say hi. He's like, hello, YouTube. My name is Ozo, and I will just stare at the camera because I don't. Is that me? Oh, I'm so pretty. Yes, I'm so pretty. I'm a pretty kitty, aren't I? Yes, you are. Bye, Soso. Say bye-bye. Say wave bye-bye to YouTube. Oh, okay. So, yeah. My mom babysits, so that's why there's a lot of baby toys. She babysits a 3-year-old, an almost 2-year-old, a grade primary, a grade 4, which is in my grade, and a grade 3. They go to my school, except for the primary. Not the primary. They all go to my school except for the 1-year-old and the 3-year-old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog. Bye guys, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment below which of my 3 cats was your favorite. No, don't do that if you like cats. Thumbs up if you like cats, and comment down below your favorite cat. Bye guys. Favorite kind of cat. Bye guys.